Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making Easter bunny butter cake. Stay tuned while we do this together. We'll be making use of vanilla essence, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder and flour. We'll be adding sugar and butter into the bowl. You have to whisk the both until it is creamy. The egg yolks and egg whites are to be whisked together till they turn light yellow. The sugar and butter are now ready. Therefore, we'll be adding the egg into it in order for it to combine. This process will not be taking much of your time. It takes like 7 to 10 minutes. Yes, we have gotten the creamy color we are waiting for. We'll be adding flour bit by bit here. And also we'll also be adding the baking powder. After we must have mixed it together, we are going to be adding vanilla extract in order to give it a vanilla flavor. We'll be putting it back to the mixer in order to allow it to mix properly. At this stage, if you don't have a mixer, you can actually use normal hand mixer to mix it, or you can actually use your hand and mix everything together. It doesn't really matter. The bunny cake pan, I'll be greasing it with butter. This process is needed in order to avoid the cake sticking to the pan when it is done. Pour the mixture into the pan and smooth the top. Gently shake the pan to raise the air bubbles out. Yes, the bunny cake is ready to be put in the oven. The baking time is 50 to 55 minutes. This is to check if it is properly baked. We will be removing the cake from the pan, and as you can see, we have a beautiful Easter bunny butter cake. You can actually do this for this Easter season for the children to enjoy themselves. Baking this cake does not really take a lot of time, and it doesn't really have a lot of protocols before you can get it done. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.